Moving.
Oh, iPass. Ito si Miss USA. Okay, nasa living room. Ito ang living room. Okay. You walk.
Ito yung collection nila ng
Yeah.
Beanie Babies.
Yeah.
Beanie Babies.
Okay. And then, ito, tumawa ka naman. Okay. Then you go here. In here.
Ang gulo nung
Di
table.
bale. It doesn't matter. Okay. And then the other side of the living room. Okay. And that's it. Miss USA.
This is the dining room.
Yeah, the dining room. Opposite the living room in front. Okay, we go towards the kitchen. You walk. Go there. Go. Okay. Ito. This is the kitchen. And this is the Mrs. USA. Okay. Okay. This is it. There you go. You walk towards the. Okay. Okay. That's it. That's it.
Hindi maganda.
You walk. You smile. And this is.
This is the family room.
Okay. Family room. Okay. Yung tinatanong mong antique. Okay. Ayan. This is a living room, home theater in front. Okay. That's a nurse. Okay. Goody. Say bye-bye to Pass. Say bye-bye. This is a video. Say bye-bye to Pass. Both of you. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Pass. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Pass.
Bye.
Thanks. Mama, say bye-bye. Mama, say bye-bye.
Take a picture of the garden.